read. These pictures tells a story. Go ahead. Can you read for me? No?
Yes. No, no, no.
Okay. So listen. So this pictures tells a story. It's called Mrs. Hall's shopping trip. Look at the example for the a picture. Now tell me the story. Okay, so here Mr. Hall is going to work and his wife is going to the town. She wants to buy a new phone. She's leaving the house now, but her key is on the shelf in the hall. Okay, so here, so her husband is going to work, and her wife is going to the town. But then, okay, but because she wanted to buy, what does she wanted to buy? She will buy new, new what? New? She will
Yes.
buy new phone, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right. But then she forget her,
For a key.
yes, her key. She forget her key. And then, okay, what did she do? She called her husband. Okay, and then they are looking at their, okay, they find it into the, where did they find it? In
Yes.
the shelf. Say shelf. Okay, so let's have, okay, ask the question. Okay, so here, ask and answer about things you do in town. All right. Okay, what do you do in town if you are going on town? What do you do? Did you buy some food?
Yes.
Food. What kind of food?
No.
No? What do you do? What did you do on town?
Yes.
What did you do there on town?
Yes.
Yes, like, all right, what did you do there? Are you watching cinema?
Yes.
Yes, buying grocery?
No.
No? Buying some clothes?
Yes.
Yes? All right, could you say it with me? We will buy some clothes.
Yes.
Say it with me. Say, we buy clothes.
We bad fun.
Clothes. Okay, and we watch movie.
And you are movie.
Wow, very good. And what movie do you like to watch?
I like movie Doraemon.
Doraemon, me too. I like Doraemon. Good job. Okay, so how about Detective Conan? Do you watch Detective Conan?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, I like Detective Conan too. How about One Piece? How about One Piece? Do you watch One Piece?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Can you say I watch One Piece?
I want One Piece.
Okay. Very good. All right. So, do you have any question?
Yes.
Okay. Can you ask me, teacher? What do you like to watch, or what movie do you like to watch?
I work is
Okay. Can you ask me, teacher? What do you like to watch?
I go is school.
School.
Yes.
Oh, and then after school?
Yes.
After school, what did you do? I
go to school.
Yes, you go to school. Okay, very good. All right, so here, let's find out or let's find 10 or 10 more difference. So talk to your friend about the picture. Okay, so let's find out what is the difference. Okay, so look at the picture. What is the difference?
The newspaper is a hospital. A newspaper is
News, newspaper.
yes.
Good job. And then next, how about this clock?
Clock. Yes.
Yes. Okay, next, what else?
Mức.
Which one? Here, this one? Is it this?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And then which else? What else?
Brush, and comb. Brush
Plus,
on the back, red. On the back, red.
this one?
On the
Lunchbox. Lunchbox.
on the end back, is red. Yes.
Mm,
Comb. Yes.
okay. Yes, very good. Yeah, this one. And
No. It's comb. End back. It's red.
this one?
Yes.
And this one. Comb.
Brush and comb.
Next, what else?
Movie. Newspaper.
New paper.
Yes.
This one?
No. The boy is holding a newspaper.
The boy is holding a newspaper. Where is it? Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Okay, next. I can't see it clearly. All right, next. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay, here. Okay, what else?
Tủ lạnh cô.
Sorry? No more?
Is the girl.
The
Yes.
girl. Goodbye. What else?
The girl is standing next to the
The girl standing next to the See this one? This one? No.
the girl give the food next to the eagle.
Okay. The girl next.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Next. What else? I think, how about lunchbox? How about this one? Is it different?
Difficult.
Chopstick? No, difficult. I'm sorry.
The
Chopstick and?
chopstick and gift.
Yeah, and spoon. Spoon and knife.
Yes.
Okay, how about food?
Food there.
Yes. We eat different food.
Food. Yeah.
Yes. All right, what else? Mm. Any? No more? No more? It's fine. No worries. It's okay. All right. So, yeah, I think that would be all. Okay. Good job. Okay, so that would be all. All right. Bravo.
Yeah.
Yay. Good job. You find it all. All right. Okay, now question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now questions then. Okay, now let's go back.
Star.
Uh,
It's
Star, where is it? Wow, who made it?
Yes.
Who made it?
Star.
Oh, it's a lot of stars. Wow, who make it? Who make? Who make that one? Is it paper? Paper?
Yes.
Yes. You make it? You make?
Star.
Yeah, star. Did you make that star? Did you make it?
100.
100. Wow. Who made that one? Is it you? You made it?
Out of star.
Wow, that's nice. All right, thank you so much for sharing with me, Huang. Okay, let's have day out. Okay, so day out, okay, the words. So here in number 1, so
Sanctuary. Sanctuary. Sanctuary.
sin,
No. Nature.
number 2, this one.
Yes.
Okay, it's
ACRSC.
C.
C.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh,
C. Yes.
oh, screen. Say screen.
Yes.
Say it again.
Actor.
Screen.
Actor.
Actor. Very good.
Actor.
Actor.
Actor. Cartoon.
Okay. Very good. Cartoon. Okay, let me. All right. Here is.
Cartoon. No,
Mhm.
cartoon.
Which one? Here?
Cartoon. No,
Uh,
cartoon, yes.
all right. Can you make it step by step? All right.
Yes. Cartoon.
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 Do you like cartoons?
Yes.
Yes. All right. How about this one?
Dinosaur.
Yes. Dino.
Song.
Dinosaur. Do you like dinosaur?
No.
No? Are you scared? Oh, sorry. Do you scared the dinosaur?
Yes.
Ooh.
Will animal.
Which one?
Will
What?
animal.
Say
Yes.
wild. Say
Will.
wild.
Yes.
Wild
Why animal? Động vật ăn.
animal.
Why animal?
All right, next. This one. Cartoons, okay, and then actors. All right, what else? Oh,
Cloud.
oh, sorry, wait a moment. Okay, so here, which one?
Cloud.
Say clown.
Cloud.
Clown.
Yes. Swing.
Swing. Okay, one moment.
Swing.
Swing. Do you play on swing?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like swing? How about this one?
Siren. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
What is it?
Ryan.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Okay, pyramid.
Pyramid.
Oh, sorry. It's too far. How about this one?
CAGE.
Is it C or S?
No, C. Sky. Yes.
Cage.
CAGE.
Say
Yes.
cage. Yes. Yay! Very.
Come
Oh,
on.
one more. I forgot. And then this one is
Star.
stage. All right. This time. All right. Good job. All right. This time, let's read. Okay. All right. Let's read to me. Okay. Seats. Cinema.
Cinema.
Museum.
Museum.
Screen.
Screen.
Actor. Oh,
Actor.
why? I'm sorry. Okay, here, actor. And then theater.
Theater.
Circus.
Soccer.
All right, stage.
Stage.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Zoo.
Zoos.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Clown.
Cloud.
Wild animals.
Wild animal.
Cage.
Cage. Swing.
Swing. Okay, very good. All right, so it's easy. Easy?
Yes.
Is it easy? Yes. Okay, good job.
What you favorite food?
Oh, my favorite food? I like ramen, the spicy ramen.
Yes.
What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Wow, you like pizza. Wow, I like pizza too. Sorry?
When do you play football?
Oh, I play football. I don't know how to play football. Do you know how to play football?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Can you teach me how to play?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Teach me how to play football. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right. That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Huang. Okay. Let's have, okay, number 2. So write the word.
Number 1, morning.
Okay. You're so fast. Okay. One moment. Morning.
Morning.
Okay. Can you spell it?
Morning.
Okay. Spell it. M-O.
MORNY.
Okay.
ING.
G. Okay, morning. Very good.
Number 2 is afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay, A.
Afternoon.
Yay! Good job. Afternoon.
Evening.
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 Yay! Evening. Well done. All right, the last one.
Night. Night.
Yay! Night. Okay, let me ask you some question. What?
Yeah.
Okay, what time do you get up in
Yeah.
the? What time do you get up in the morning? What time? I get up at. What time you get up?
Yeah.
Yeah, what time? What time do you get up?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Wow, it's too early. All right, how about in the afternoon? What time do you go to school?
Yes.
Yeah, what time? What time do you go to school?
Yes.
What time do you go to school? 12 o'clock, 3
So,
o'clock. What
number
time?
2 is 12 o'clock.
12? 1, 2, 12. Oh, all right. Okay, how about, okay, evening. What time do you, okay, what time do you make your homework?
four
Yeah, what,
o'clock.
4? Is it homework?
Yes.
Oh, this one is evening. All right. So what time do you eat in the evening? What time do you eat? Dinner.
Yes.
Yeah. What time? What time?
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. Now at night, what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wow, 10 o'clock. Very good. See, it's easy. Go
Do
ahead.
you live in the city or in the countryside?
Oh, I live in the city. Thank you so much for trying your best to answer or to ask. And of course, okay, so that's good. Okay. Do you have any question?
Yes.
What is your question?
Do you watch television in the living room?
Yeah, we have television on our living room. Good job. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. Any question? Do you have any question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what else?
Yes. Who cooked your dinner?
Oh, my husband cooked our dinner. All right, thank you so much.
What's
I,
my favorite animal?
oh, my favorite animal is dog and cats and monkey.
Hmm.
How about you? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dolphin rabbit.
Wow, dolphin and rabbits. Do you have rabbits at home?
Yes.
Wow, how many rabbits do you have?
Two rabbits.
Wow, 2 rabbits. What is his name? What is the name of your rabbit?
Is rabbit. One name is Jane.
Oh, and the second one?
Number one name is Matt.
Matt. Oh, Matt. And then the other one is?
Number two is Julie.
Julie. So, girl and boy.
Yes.
Wow, Julie and Matt. That's a wonderful name. Who gave this name? Who gave their name?
No, two rabbits.
Yeah, two rabbits. Who gave their name? Is you give their name or your brother gave you their name?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. All right, thank you so much.
What do you do with your friend at the weekend?
Oh, at weekends, we usually do, we usually go church. All right. Sometimes we go shopping on weekends. How about you? What do you do on weekend?
I go shopping.
Wow, you go shopping too. What do you buy?
I buy I buy I buy clothes.
Clothes. Wow. Okay, thank you so much for that. Any question?
Yes. Where do you like going on the holiday?
Oh, I like to go on. Okay. I usually stay at home on my holiday because it's too crowded outside. I don't like to go out. So I'm staying at home and sleep.
Sleeping.
How about you? Where do you go on holiday?
I go to the beach.
Beach. Wow, very nice. And you swim.
Yes, swimming.
Wow. Wow, that's great. Do you like swimming?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. All right. Good job, Huang. Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's have
Where do you watch television?
watch television. I usually watch television after work at the evening.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Where do you live?
Oh, I live here in Pasay, Philippines.
How many people live at your home?
Oh, we have my three kids, my husband, my brother, my sister, and I. We have seven person, or we have seven living on our house. How about you? How many person do you live in your
Have
house?
four people. My
Four?
dad, yes, my dad, my mom, my brother, and me.
Wow! Good job. Okay, next.
What do you like reading comics?
Hmm. I like fantasy comics and I like horror comics.
Where do you play with your friend?
Oh, um, play with my friend. I think I'm not playing on my friends, but I played with my kids.
Hmm.
So, how about you? When do you play with your friends?
My home.
Wow, on your home. Wow, that's nice. Thank you so much for that. Okay.
Yes. Where do you like go in at the weekend?
Oh, on weekends we like go to church. Um, church and shopping mall. How was it? A shopping mall and um sleeping at home, and of course buying some foods.
And you friend boy or girl?
Sorry?
And you and your friend boy or girl?
Oh, my kids? Did you asking if I played for a girl or a boy? Could you please repeat your question?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. So I have girl, two girls and one boy.
Tell
How?
me, tell
Mhm.
me about your dad.
Oh, uh, my dad. My dad is handsome. He is good in carpenter, and he is good in basketball. And my dad is already passed away last when I was a little.
Ah,
Yes. All right. Anything?
my dad is handsome. Mm, he's 25 years old.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I I work is business.
Oh, business. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. So that's so wonderful. Thank you so much, Huang, for sharing those to me. All right.
Where do you eat dinner?
Oh, I usually eat dinner at home.
Mm. Tell me about your evening.
Oh, my evening is too busy. After work, I do my homeworks, of course, and do some dishes.
Yes.
Uh,
And,
make
and,
my baby sleep.
and me is do my homework. What if I go to sleep?
Sleep. Wow, very good. Any?
Is it difficult or easy?
Evening. I think it's easy because I will sleep. Is it difficult for you now?
How do you go to work?
I go to work um by bicycle.
Uh,
Yes. My husband drive for me with our bicycle.
How do you sit next to the worker?
Sorry?
Police. What do you sit next to in police?
Officer? Oh, no, we have helmet.
What do you like doing at home?
I like to eat. Sometimes we eat fried fish. Sometimes we eat fried chicken. Sometimes we have some pork curry and
And,
rice.
and me do my homework and expressing.
Really? That's nice. Okay. Any question? No more?
Tell me about your best friend.
Oh, my best friend is Joanne. So she is at Dubai now. So she is working there. Mm, she is good at singing. She is good also in volleyball sports. And she is a good dancer too. Yes. So that's all for my best friend.
Tell me about your house.
Oh, our house is not too big. It has color gray, and we have um two room. We have a small kitchen, and of course we have bathroom.
What do you like watching on television?
Oh, I like to watch horror movie and action movie.
Do you like com 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 do you like laptop game in your free time?
Lap Playing on my laptop during playtime. Sometimes. Sometimes I play.
Tell me about your favorite shop.
Oh, my favorite shop. My favorite shop is a small grocery uh, s- on our side. Sorry. On our uh here near on our house. So we have a small shop here. So that is my favorite shop.
Yeah. Do you eat in the chicken?
Oh, I love chicken. How about you? Do you like chicken?
Yes.
Yes. So what food or what chicken do you like to eat? Fried chicken, curry
Yeah.
chicken. Wow, you like fried chicken. Okay,
Yes.
good job.
Do you to the cinema at the weekend?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. How about you? Do you usually watch cinema on weekend?
It's never.
Never.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So I see. I see.
What color do you like wearing?
I like wearing t-shirts. How about you? What clothes do you like to wear?
T-shirt and short.
T-shirts and shorts. That's wonderful.
What whole cooker your super?
Sorry, could you say it again?
Who cook your super?
Oh, who cooked? Soup?
Yes.
Uh, Actually, we don't cook soup. Sometimes we have our dish have soup already. So yeah, we are not cooking soup.
What game do you play?
I play volleyball and badminton.
Yes. Do
Yeah.
you like chicken or chicken?
Oh, I like chicken, but of course I like also fish. How about you? What do you like? Chicken or fish?
No, I like pizza.
Pizza. Wow. That's great. Me, I like pasta.
Yes.
Yes, pasta. You like pasta?
Yes. What do you like go into the evening?
I do my homeworks.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, thank you so much, Wang. Good job for asking the questions.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so that's it. Let's have this one. Let's go back here. Oh, so let's have conversation. So tomorrow, Mrs. Brown is going to take the children on the special day out. So read the conversation and choose the letter of the best answer. All right. So number one is B. Hmm, Okay, this one, letter B. So how about number two? Okay, then go. Let's go out the museum in the morning. What is the answer for number? Okay, let me. Okay, so that you can see the answer. Okay, what is the answer for number two?
Yes.
Mhm. It's
It's letter D.
letter D. Can we see a cartoon? I love them. Okay, let's go out and let's go out the museum in the morning. All right, so that is correct. Letter D. Okay, very good. All right, number three. So Black Holly, quiet early, 8:30. So let's do that in the morning. And in the afternoon, shall we go to the theater? All right. So what is your answer?
Number F. No, number E. Number E.
Letter F.
Letter
Oh, okay. Let's have. Oh, really? I want to see them. Let's go there. Okay. All right. Quite early. 8:30. Okay, letter E. Okay, good. All right, let's have number four. Okay, well, we could go to the cinema and see a film instead. Oh, I think this one is this. Okay, I think number 3 is letter F. Yeah, you're correct for letter F.
Number F.
Yeah, letter F. Okay, and here was,
Is number E.
yes, it's letter E. Okay, next, number 5. That's a good idea. There's a very funny one. Each begins at 2:15.
Number A.
Letter? It's
Letter.
letter A. Okay, let me see. Oh, yes, please really like to see the clown. Letter A, this one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's have number 6. 2 hours and in the evening, there is a circus in a town. Shall we go there?
Number C.
Letter C, I'm not. Okay, number 7. The circus ends at 10:30 in the evening.
Number
It's
H. Number
letter
H.
H.
Yes. And no. 6 is number 8.
Oh, 6 is 8. All right.
6 number 8. 7 number C.
Okay, letter C. All right, and the last one is
3.
letter
T.
G.
Yes.
Okay. All right, very good. All right, do you have any question?
Yes. Mm. Do you like go into the back?
Yeah, I like to go to the park. How about you? Do you like to go in the park?
Yes, I play badminton.
Wow, you played badminton. All right, what else do you play in the park?
What do you like doing at home?
I play cell phone.
Eh, Tell me about the weekend.
My weekend are here this weekend. I plan to go to the park and play with my kids.
Where go you like go in with your friend?
Mm, we are not usually go out with my friend. I usually go out with my kids.
Yeah. Where do you like go in with your friend?
I usually go with we usually go out for eat.
What game do you play with your friend?
We usually play um volleyball.
Who is the oldest in the family?
The oldest in my family is my brother. How about you? Who is the oldest on your family?
Tell me about your best friend.
My best friend?
Yes.
Oh, she is good in dancing, um, dancing, and play volleyball. How about you? Can you tell me about your best friend?
Uh, the boy name is Nam. He's
Nam,
born and answer
Wow.
is very listen very good.
Wow, he can sing good. How about dancing? Can he dance well?
Yes.
Yes.
How your husband?
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Tell me
What
about your husband.
husband? Oh,
Husband.
sorry?
Tell me about your husband.
House babe or
Yes.
husband?
Yes.
Ah, he is good in driving and he is handsome. He is tall. He is big.
Tell me about your evening at home.
Oh, my evening at home. As always, um, making my baby sleep, um, having a class, and eating dinner and watching movies.
And me, I eat dinner. I do my homework. I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
All right. Very good. Thank you so much, Wang. So
What
I think,
time is it?
all right. So time is it now is, okay, let me check. Yeah, time is um 10:01, 10:02.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So here is your star. So good job. So you,
Yes.
yeah. So you really did your great job today's lesson.
Yes.
All right. So keep it up. Okay. So next, on Tuesday again, we will continue our lesson. Okay. Good job, Wang. All right. So have a great day. See you again on Tuesday. Goodbye for now. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, teacher. See
Goodbye.
you again.
Yes. See you again on